And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 94. Let me show you how you can install fonts. So I've shown you in one of the last videos, you can find all of your fonts right here or under text and font. But what if you wanted to add a font that's not inbuilt? It's not really an Inkscape thing, it's a system thing. So your entire system, whether it's, for example, Windows or an Apple system, you have to install the font inside of your system and then Inkscape will be able to access it. One page, one website where you can find free fonts is thefont.com. Let me download this one right here, Blue Water. Be careful, for some you have to watch for the license. But here for this tutorial, Blue Water should be fine. I'm going to link to it in the video description. Once you've got it downloaded, it's a zip folder. So extract it all. Once you've got that, you want to search for the OpenType file. If you're unsure, just right click on it. It should be OTF, so OpenType. That's what you need. Double click on it and this should open the menu that you need. Here you have two options. Mine's set to German, but it says here at the top, print or install. Just click on install and then it's installed on your system. And by the way, you don't need these folders here anymore. So let me go back to my downloads folder. You neither need the extract or the download folder, can delete both. The font is now installed inside of your system. You can't directly see it right here. What you need to do is you have to restart Inkscape. Let me do that quickly. We check text and font yet again. And here you can see it, Blue Water. It's now installed and Inkscape can use it. As it's installed on your system, you can also now access it using other software, for example, GIMP or Photoshop, whatever you use. So once more, this font is installed, not in the program itself, but on your entire CPU now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.